So we got Metal Mario. Where do we go now?
Well, shit. It's official. They can hear whatever the hell you're saying, so, you can just say something now.
Remember, this is Call of Duty library, so you need to get that through your head.
Yep, I know.
So now, in order to get into the haunted house, we need to go do one thing. We need to get the invisible cap. The only way to do that is to go down here. I can still hear Mips having strokes. Hey, we came out here. That's what we came for right there.
Alright then, Call of Duty all the time. Yes, I can hear you. This is getting annoying.
Ben, see these two pillars? And then look at the other one.
Alright then, this must be a server full of young and respectful people, right?
And there goes the water to the castle.
Young and respectful.
We don't need, we do not need a life in this game. Hey, look at me.
Oh, you're invisible. That's...
Now in order to get into
Oh,
the
wow, what perfect aim. What perfect aim you have there.
Ah, you missed me with fire.
Alright, I got
Did you know
bored.
that
Let's
you can
check
shoot
out
the?
this side.
Did you know that you can shoot the platforms? The moving
Apparently
ones.
you can. Anyways, let's see how this guy again is doing. He's doing fine, right? Just farming buildings because oh, level 9. I can see why now.
5, 6.
Now
That was too close.
this is probably the most regretful decision I've ever made.
And guess what we just got? You just stepped on the Vanish Cap switch. The Vanish Cap makes Mario disappear.
Yeah. Whoopee.
So Mario turns into...
Damn. That was highly uncalled for.
And am I right or wrong?
You're not wrong though. You just didn't have to say it like that.
You're saying he was cocking a shotgun.
Oh, look at that! It's a robot.
Okay, we got that. Now how do we get
How
inside
in
the
the
haunted house there?
Fuck! Did you do that?
Do you know how we need to get inside the haunted
Oh,
house?
alright. Either my connection is shit, or you live in fucking Africa with that internet connection you got there.
Probably.
You just live inside of a tectonic plate.
Tectonic. Tectonic.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
And here,
Oh, yeah. I'll lose access to it if I continue saying the bad word. So maybe don't say
here
the
it
bad
is.
word.
Welcome to Course 5. Big Boo's haunt.
Ooh, Big Boo. And the
Here's how you are-
Mario character, not anything else, Roblox. That is not a word that'll violate your community. It's just a giant ghost with a crown on its head. Roblox.
I think this is it.
Alright, now, let's see what this skating area has. Oh. That's too bad. What the hell is the content? What the?
I just pressed
Billion is
things.
villain arc or something.
Hey, it's not... What the heck is this for? I got a random star. What is it for?
Alright.
I think I got the wrong one, so we need to go kill that guy. I'm finding a different way around. Yeah, it's all the way up there.
And no, I'm not joining that server again.
I can see why. Oh, look. It's a back entrance.
Exclude full servers. Wait, please.
Ghosts? Okay. Yeah, I think we've learned our lesson that ghosts don't die, but do we honestly care? Do we honestly care about an Italian having a shotgun saying ghosts don't die? Is that a cabin?
Okay,
Yeah.
what's this?
Yeah, it is. Yep, it's a cabin and there's an eyeball in it. Well, it's a fried omelet now. Whoa.
I just got here and it already looks like a war zone.
You kind of walked in on World War X.
I just got here and it already looks like a war zone.
Oh. I'm getting out of here. Correctly.
No.
And I'm not getting 120 stars. You guys can fuck off. This is just a free game or some shit I don't know. Why do we have to glitch the doors? See this? This is where I killed the piano because I deserved to. This is where I shot down the door to get to this empty piece of shit of a room. There's no point in getting that. There's a point in getting that. So we shoot down this door, right? No, we don't. Even in the original game, it says ghosts don't die. This is so clear. Isn't this the room where I just killed every note? Wasn't it this room where I... Also, no.
Oh, yeah.
I went in this room. But there was jack shit in it. This is so clear, like a dick of Rude. Hey, guess what? Nintendo said ghosts don't die. We learned that. You get it. Ghosts don't die. That just goes to say... Do we have to kill every single goddamn ghost in the room? Here comes the master himself. Oh, we shot him again. We shot him once. We shot him twice. Shot him 3 times.
We killed the motherfucker and now,
I feel depressed inside for some reason. This is. So let me just show you what the merry-go-round is for all you stupid idiots over there. It's the sound of a goddamn merry-go-round, so here it is.
do something like that.
What is happening? I'm just pressing things. Hey, look! It's the same goddamn boss!
What is it?
Look, it's this guy.
Oh,
Are you fucking kidding me?
anyways,
Is that's the whole fucking star. That's the whole star. That